Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily install a new theme for your WordPress website. So what you want to do is just be in the dashboard. I will just download the theme here, free, and I will just click here, whatever. I'm going to download this one. Okay, now we have it, right? Hestia. So I will click here to templates. To appearance and themes, that's where you want to go, and click here on add new. Now just click upload the theme. Yes, and let's go and find it. Hestia, yes, install now. And then just wait until the WordPress will process it. In theme, okay. I can click live preview. And voila, here is the Hestia. And voila, here you got it. And I can just like easily activate it. And voila, we got it, and customize. And nice, here we got it. And I can just edit everything I want here. So this is how you can do it. And that's it. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So thank you, see ya, and bye bye.